channel, and for today's video I'm going to show you what's inside my backpack. And we just got here in South Carolina and we left Oregon Friday night, and that was 4.5 hours from there to Atlanta, and then another 30 minutes from Atlanta to here. So today I am going to show you what's inside my backpack, and let's get started. So nimbalhin ko kay kuan kay dili mo tindog akong camera dito kay kutsyon mo siya, so para magstay ang akong camera. Nimbalhin na lang ko sa ubos. So first, here's my backpack. This is my backpack, and this was given to me from the husband last Christmas. So ta-da! So first one, I'm gonna show you this one. The ipit or kumpit. Di ginin malimtan ako kay importante gini sa akong kinabuhi. Kay especially sa airplane, pero di ko ganahan ang dili mo kung kay kubaan na pula din yung karepin, di ko ganin importante. Ang ako ba nag-iukoy ko. So, dili na ako ni siya malimtan jud kay kanang especially na sa airplane kay sa mukang ko pa sa dili mo mukong. So, I just put it right here so it's easy to access if you need it. And then second, there is another one right here. There is a pocket. I have a gum. So if I need something sweeter and to refresh your breath, I need this right here, the chewing gum. And then there is another one right here, pocket. I got this one. It's from Japan. It's right here. I'm not sure. It's one of those, kadumdum na ito makaon sa tuwa nga B1 dito. Murag hotdoging style. Murag mamaon ni siya. Kuan ni siya, murag mamaon ni siya nga kuan style. Murag pare-parehas ko duglami. So, I got this one. Now, onto the front pocket. Let's get the front pocket. In there. The front pocket. I have face mask. Right there. I put it in the Ziploc bag to stay it in a clean and dry place. Right there. Face mask. Very important nowadays, especially when you're traveling. Oh my god, division of focus. So yeah, importante kayo siya. And the next one, I have hand sanitizer right there, and then another hand sanitizer. I have to have this, especially nowadays. It's a nourishing oil for the hair. And then next, I like this backpack because it has a lot of pockets. I got a Advil. It's for pain, like if you got headaches, muscle pain. So it's good if you have this one with you, especially in the plane. Or so I need that. Sometimes I get headache for no reason, I don't know why. And this one, my perfume, I carry it with me. It smells so good. It's from Victor and Rolf. And then next one, I got my handkerchief. And the next one, I got another mask. And I have my another pugong. I'm obsessed with pugong. I can't live without it. And I got my my Gentle Monster wipe for my glasses. This is from the, it's a hand sanitizing wipe. They give this from the, the flight attendant. And I have a on-the-go facial tissue. And my car keys and my house key. And I have my AirPods. And I have this one with me, especially when I'm traveling. Always do. My mom gave it to me when I left the Philippines. That was 9 years ago. And my rosary. This was given to me from my mother as well. The rosary. I always have this with me wherever I go. Even if I go just work, I have it in my vest. And this one is just the baggage claim ticket. That's it for the front pocket. I'll put it later. Or I can do it now. I don't want to do it later. And oops. I can leave this one here. Don't need that anymore. Alright, on to the big pocket. Go to the big pocket. First, I got my Gentle Monster. So you know, if you watch my video, I did my unboxing video from my Gentle Monster. Next one, I have my hand and face wipes. That one there, very important. I have my eyeshadow here. Cute, it's very cute. Oh, and next, my brush, my hair brush. You know what? I like this one because when you brush your hair, mura siyang sulod. Na kung nakikatol, ako lang yung piling ako magmakuha yung katol. Pero wala ako gikutuha. Pero lami kayo siya. Lami kayo siya sa buhok. And also, it massage mo sa scalp nimo. So, this is my hairbrush. Cute. And then, my wallet. Here's my wallet. And then my phone, of course. And I want to show you guys my wallpaper. Are you excited? Here's my wallpaper. Oops. Ta-da! That's Duke! How cute! And then, of course, my microphone, which I can't use it because I left the other part back home. So, yeah. And then, I have a lot on my AirPods. I got the AirPods in that one too as well. And this one, I'll show you this later. I don't know, I carry small wallet because I carry also small bag when I'm, when I'm just going out with the husband or we're going somewhere else. So this one. And then my next one, my tablet. Here's my tablet. Well, there's stickers. I didn't carry it. And then I think that would be all for the next one. This is so very what do you call that? I'm so kilig. The next one that I'm gonna show you is very special because it is very special because we are celebrating our 10 years wedding anniversary, and I feel so kilig. And oops, I messed up the ribbon already. So my husband gave me what do you call this, card. And I already opened it, but look how pretty. Oh, and I'm so kilig when I'm so kilig. I don't know if you guys can see it. And the next one, I'm so excited to share this all of you. I'm not bragging or anything. This is just very special because we are celebrating our 10 years. So please, no negativity at all. So I messed up the ribbon already, but my husband gave me this. I know, I'm so kilig, I know. When he gave me this before we left, and I didn't expect this, that he's gonna give me that early, but he told me that he's been keeping this whole time and he don't want to put it in his luggage because baka makuan lang daw kuno makuan lang siya ba ma-flat dira sa sulod or maunsa baka madaot niya. So he just gave it to me. I was preparing myself at the other room and he went there and he gave it to me, and oh, a gift in the blue box. So here, I'm gonna open this. There's another jewelry box right here inside. In there, I am so kilig. And look what I got. And it's so pretty. I don't know if you can see it. Di ko lang yung mag-focus. Oh, I don't know. Look. So pretty. Oh, so pretty. Thank you, love. So, that would be all. And hit like, subscribe, and share, and comment down below which if you want me to do more vlogs and more videos. Comment down below the vlogs that you wanted me to shoot, and I will see you next time. I'll see you on my next vlog. Like and subscribe. Bye.